In this video, I'll show you how to add and import contacts to an audience with Google Sheets. Now, the first step is to head over to Google Sheets. In here, as you can see, I have a few columns. One column is for email address, first name, last name, the address, phone number, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday. What you can do is only add the email address, first name, last name, address, and phone number. It is optional, but what you need to do is make sure that you have email address and first name within these columns. Now, what you need to do here is on the email address, you want to add the email address of the recipient. Let's say the name will be proton99@gmail.com. On the first name, this will be Proton. On the last name, this will be Doe. Now, what we need to do is add an address. So simply add the address. And on the phone number, we will also add one. Do not mind the country code. You can add any phone number. On what do you like to grow, this is optional. But let's say Proton wants to grow vegetables. On the tags, you can leave this as blank. We can set this up later on. And if you want to add the birthday, you want to add the month first and next the day. Now, what you want to do next is simply add the rest of your list. Now, once you have the rest of your list, the next step is to export this file as a CSV file. And in order for you to do that, simply head over to the top bar of Google Sheets. On the left-hand side, click on the first option, which is File. Below, you want to hover your mouse on Download. And on the right-hand side of download, you want to choose either an XLSX or a CSV. I will use a CSV. And once the CSV file has been downloaded, head over back to Mailchimp. From here, you want to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Contact section. From here, head over to the top. On the right-hand side, click on Add Contacts. And at the bottom, click on the first option, which is Import Contacts. Once you do that, head over to the second option, which is Upload a File. And from here, head over to the bottom, click on Select a File. And what you need to do is select the spreadsheet. Once you have the spreadsheet uploaded at the bottom, click on Continue. That will take you to Organization. From here, you want to add your current audience. If you have groups, simply add them. You can also update to any existing contacts. We won't do that. And at the bottom, click on Continue. Now, the main reason why I left tags as blank is because you can add a tag for all of the audience list. In here, we can set a tag for 2026. We can also add multiple ones. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Continue. Now, in here, we need to match the file column name from Google Sheets onto Mailchimp's field names. So on the file column, email address on the right-hand side, set as email address. You also want to do the same thing for first name, last name, address, phone number, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday. On birthday, if it is set as date subscribe, you can also change that to birthday. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Continue. Now, in here, you want to make sure to set the marketing status as subscribe. And the reason for that is when you have a different marketing status, like unsubscribed, non-subscribed, or cleaned, you won't be able to send them an email address or they will not automatically show. I will set this as subscribe. At the bottom, click on Finalize Import. And once you're done, it will review. At the bottom, click on Complete. And once you do that, as you can see, we have successfully added 11 new contacts. At the top and the right corner, if you click on Exit, on the Audience section, you should automatically see the list of contacts in which you have added. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.